See, if you want to track the backlinks you have added on other sites, you can do it easily and on a daily basis. With other tools that you have in the market, that is SEO tools that they commonly call it, they give you the bulk number of backlinks that your site has. Okay, that's a good thing when you want to have a aerial view or a complete view, a picture about how many backlinks you have and all those things. But sometimes you pay some site to add your own site there, right? You want a backlink from them, you pay them. How do you monitor them regularly? Whether that backlink is available or not, whether they removed it or not. You can do it very easily with our new tool. It's a very simple tool, it's a free tool, and it's on trackbacklinks.io, and I am going to show you how you can do it. Okay, let's start with the first thing. Now you can register on this site easily. I am already registered and I am trying to log in here, and I am going to add my backlinks. Okay, so add a backlink. So here you have to name it. For example, Mums Travels is one of my sites, and I have added some backlinks there. And the site page, let me add it here so that you can really understand what I am trying to say here. This is the source page, right, which you have to track daily, on which you have added your backlink. Okay, and I have added a Wikipedia backlink here, which I am going to add here. Okay, so for example, this is a site where you paid some amount, say for $10, $100, whatever, and you have added a backlink of your own here. Now you want to check whether this backlink is available or not on a daily basis. At the moment we have kept it on a daily basis. We are adding more features to it. I'll let you know about it, but this is the first thing that you can do. Okay, and here you can do one more thing that we recently added. You can put this site, that is your site, for link exchange. That is, people can exchange link with you on this particular site. For example, if this is your site, you can add a link exchange and people can contact you to exchange their links. So this helps in two ways. One is monitor your backlink. Another way is to help you find people who want to exchange links with you or who want their links on your pages. Now I save it. Okay, it is saved here. Okay, I go to the track logs and everything will be here. The link is available here. It will check and it will show it success. If the link doesn't appear there, for example, if the link doesn't appear when our robot goes there, checks the backlink, it will show an error message that either the backlink is not available or the page is not available, whatever it is. So this is very easy, and you can keep this data forever. You can check it on a daily basis, and you can contact the webmasters who have added your backlink and ask them for a refund if your backlink is not there.